How to use BlueStacks to run Android apps on Windows. BlueStacks is an Android emulator that allows you to run Android apps on your Windows PC. It is a free and easy to use program that can be downloaded from the BlueStacks website. To use BlueStacks to run Android apps on Windows, follow these steps. 1. Download and install BlueStacks on your Windows PC. 2. Once BlueStacks is installed, open it and sign in to your Google account. 3. Once you are signed in, you can browse the Google Play Store and download any Android app that you want. 4. Once an app is downloaded, you can open it and start using it on your Windows PC. Here are some tips for using BlueStacks. * You can use your mouse and keyboard to control Android apps on BlueStacks. * You can also use a touchscreen controller to control Android apps on BlueStacks. * BlueStacks supports multiple instances, which means that you can run multiple Android apps at the same time. * BlueStacks also has a built-in feature that allows you to record your gameplay. BlueStacks is a great way to run Android apps on your Windows PC. It is a free and easy to use program that offers a variety of features that make it a great choice for Android app users. Here are some additional benefits of using BlueStacks. * You can use BlueStacks to play Android games on your PC. * You can use BlueStacks to access Android apps that are not available on the Windows Store. * You can use BlueStacks to sideload Android apps, which means that you can install apps that are not available in the Google Play Store. Overall, BlueStacks is a great way to get the most out of your Android apps on your Windows PC. Your turn. How to run Android apps on Windows directly.